Hi there and welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Afterglow by Ed Sheeran. Relatively new song that just came out. Now what we'll do in this video is first of all we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA ukulele, then we'll look at the chords you need for DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. There are chapters listed below in the description, or you can follow along on the bottom of your screen and slide to parts of the video that matter to you. If you like the chords that you see in this song, you can find the chord chart or tabs at ukestuff.info. Uketabs is a collaborator with this site. Now let's take a look at the chords you need for GCEA, soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this D'Angelico. This is their concert premiere series ukulele. The first chord you need is the C chord. The second chord you need is the F add 9. Now, if you want to play the F chord, you certainly can, but it's pretty clear that Ed isn't playing just a standard F chord. In fact, there are a number of chords in there that he may be adding notes to that you can also add if you want to. You do not have to stick to the exact chords for the song. The next chord is the G chord, and the final chord is the A minor chord. And those are the four chords you need on soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele for Afterglow by Ed Sheeran. Now let's take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. I'll be using this Flight NUB 310 ukulele. Just as I mentioned, this video is being recorded in early 2021, and at this time when this video is being recorded, this instrument ships with GCEA tuning. So if you want to tune it like a baritone, you'll have to get baritone DGBE strings. I'm running Living Water all fluorocarbon strings that are DGBE right now on this instrument. The first chord you're going to need is the C chord. The second chord is the F add 9. Now you can also try playing a regular F chord, but what I hear is something other than an F chord. And in fact, there are a number of chords throughout the entire song that Ed may be adding other like ninth chords to. You can play around and see if you find other chords you like better. You do not have to stick to these chords exactly for the song, but this is just what I heard. So the F add 9 is played with the first finger on the second string first fret, the second finger on the third string second fret, and the third finger on the fourth string third fret, and then your pinky on the first string third fret. That's your F add 9. Then you have your G chord, and then you have your A minor chord. And those are the four chords you need for Afterglow by Ed Sheeran on DGBE baritone ukulele. Now let's take a look at the strumming for the song. Now the good news about the strumming of this song is that the song is short, the sections are repeated, and I think the main core strumming idea is true no matter what you do. Now you can play just single down strums. If you're just learning and you want to just play the single chords as you see them and make sure that you play the chords right, great, go for that. There's nothing wrong with that. Now if you're looking for a little bit more of a challenge, think about each measure having 8 down strums on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're not going to play all 8. You're not going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're not going to do that. What you're going to do is play 1, 4, and 7. 1, 4, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I hope that makes sense. Let's take the whole sequence and go slow, and we'll go really slow. We'll speed it up, and then we'll do it full tempo. Are you ready? Slow one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's take it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now faster yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, step 3, if you want to add it, and actually you can play that previous step through most of the song, especially at the beginning, but it does pick up some motion. And then what you need to do is you need to play all 8, but bring out 1, 4, and 7. So it's going to be stress 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to play all of them. So here's what that's going to sound like. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, ultimately, you don't really have to worry about playing a perfect strum on those fast ones that aren't emphasized. It's just touching the strings, making sure that you bring out the other ones. Now, if you want to ramp it up to the last level, you'll put a down up in, especially before you change chords or at the end of each measure. So it could either be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Or it could be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. What's the right answer? Whatever you want to do. I'll show you both ways. Here it is at the end of each chord before you move on. 1, 2, ready, go. Or at the end of each measure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what if that's too hard for you? Then don't play it right now. Or what if playing all 8 beats is too hard for you? Then simplify. Play whatever works for you, and remember that none of these are probably perfect, and Ed Sheeran probably even changes it as he's playing his own guitar throughout the rest of the song. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.